Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS GMC, how are you today? In this video we would like to share the work that we are doing, and actually it is about how to install the reverse camera in a Toyota Camry. This one is the generation 2011, and you can use the same instruction like this to apply for other cars, including Toyota or other cars. Now we already removed the factory head unit over here. You can see other video we have to show how to remove it safely, and we are doing it. Okay, so now start from the rear end of the car first, where we mount the camera. So at first what we need to do is we need to remove the cover of this tailgate, which it is holding by all the plastic trim tab, lock like this, several of them, and just unclip it from all the position, and then you can take the cover off. And after that you will want to use the 10mm spanner to remove those 10mm thing, the nuts out of the position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so in total you need to remove 5 of them out of the place, and after that you can slide the lock out of the position. Okay, but before you slide the lock, make sure that you simply unclip the yellow, or it might be green, clip here that actually hold the rod to lock and unlock the tailgate. So you can hang the lock like this, it should be no problem. And at this moment you want to use the plastic trim removal tool to try to slide on the top edge over here to slide this panel out, because at the end you actually want to slide this panel out and install the camera right in the middle of the bottom of this panel. So at the end you will have the camera staying at the bottom like this. So why we need to do this? Because we cannot install this one easily with the plastic panel here on the place, and also it will make something looks not very nice. So at the end we simply just remove it, and we will be able to push out this meter pole here, the thread here, and push it out a little bit. Then you still need one more thing, which is a flat screwdriver. You get a long flat screwdriver, and look at this, there's 1 meter plastic clip over there. Okay, that is very hard one. So what you do is use the flat screwdriver, and you slide on the side of that clip and press it, so it actually will press the tab on the side of the clip down, and then you can take half that clip out on this left side. Then you do the same thing, use a flat screwdriver and press on the right side tab, and it will help you to get this one out, because you already get the plastic trim removal to slide on the top. So after the second press here, this one will pop out by itself. So at the end you actually can take this panel off easily out of the car, and it align the camera right in the middle here first, and then you drill 2 of the millimeter hole and gently align and fit the reverse camera in the place. And then after that unplug the number plate light here, and you can slide the wiring into under the number plate light, and after that you can clip the number plate light on the left side down to the flash as normal, and it will lock itself in and then the camera wiring will comes in here. Okay, so that's where the camera comes in here. Now from here we need to take the power from the reverse line, which actually there's one connector down here, and in this connector it might have more than 3 wires, but here in this case it has 3 wires, and you have the red color, which actually is the one for the reverse power, and just join the red to the positive, and the white and black you can join it into the negative for power for the reverse camera, and the trigger light. After that, join it over here, tap it, and cable tie along here. Until here you need to use some of the wire protection one and running it along the original factory wiring, and use the cable tie where it needs to make sure that the new cable will stay right and not touching the rubber. Okay, make sure you test it so it won't touch the rubber when you open and close the tailgate, otherwise it will rub and damage the rubber. So need several cable tie until the wiring go down here and tight, and from here you open this one down. Okay, and you see that there's a route over there. Actually we want to run this one to the front, and this is the camera wiring. Okay, so from here you will run it over there. Now how to get that one out there? You can simply get the fitting wire and tap the camera line into it, and then fit it through there and come to the front second seat row, and you actually can lift this one a little bit, and from here you see that's the hole. Okay, that is the hole that I mentioned, and if you have fitting wire you should be able to see the fitting wire come up to here, and then you actually pull out this rubber, grab the fitting wire from here and get the camera line up here. And now you have two options to run, either running the camera line down to the floor and go into the front. Many people select that, but we actually prefer to run it up to the ceiling and then go along the ceiling to the front. So what we do is pull out the rubber here and get the wiring underneath the ceiling, and then right on the top of the roof liner. Okay, so make sure it's easy and right and tight, so everything is in the place, and you run the wiring along here on the roof liner, and from here use the plastic trim remover to slide and open the line here, and then gently press the wiring down this edge, so it's under here already. Okay, it's all under here. Going to the front now, into the front here we keep going down from here, down here, and under the ceiling, on top of the roof liner, going to the front section. Okay, and now from here you actually go along this line down here and behind this rubber, and from here we actually go in right this position, and after that you need to remove something. At first the better way that we do is we remove the glove box, which is this one. Very simple. You not slide, but you press on the left, and this lock tab come out of it. Press on the right, lock tab comes out, and then you lower it down and pull it out. It has no screw, nothing. It just slide in and lock in by itself by clip like this, by the tab, not the clip. Okay, so no need screw, easy to remove. And then you want to lower the bottom cover first. This one is locking, was locked in by 1, 2, 3, 4 of the little clip here, and this clip is simply use the flat screwdriver, press it, and then one will down, one will go down, and the same thing. So easily by one flat screwdriver like this, the same one that you use when you work at the at the back of the car. You know, you can get this bottom cover out first, and you want to use the plastic trim removal tool to lift up this cover here. Okay, this cover will come up easily because it has 3 clips only, okay, at the bottom. And after it comes up, you want to slide the cover on the side here, slide it out. It has been holding by 1 clip and the second clip which stay here, and another little hole that slide into that 10mm bolt from the floor. And on top of that you would find this cover, so you need to untwist this one, and then easily you can get this cover off. So now the whole bottom section on the side here is open, and then you can slide the camera wiring down here, underneath here, and then you can run the wiring underneath, and you know, you can tie it into the wiring, factory wiring over there, and come up right here. Okay, right here. Now from here easily you can use the fitting wire, or you don't even need that. Just look up from the top. Okay, look up from the top down, center console top down. You can see the wiring coming this direction. Okay, this direction. So put the finger down there and lift up the camera cable. That's where the camera cable comes up here. That's all done for the camera light. Okay, that's exactly how we do for the Camry 2006-2011 generation and many other cars that have similar design. So afterward, you can put back all the parts. You put the cover back. Okay, but starting with this one on the left side is easier. So you put this one back, and you put this one on top of that, and you put this cover back, and then you can put the glove box back to the place. It's all done for the camera, and then you can keep going with other things. Okay, so hopefully it will be helpful for someone doing the same thing for Camry or other cars. Thanks for watching, and have a good day then. See you in the next one.